In this video series, we are going to see communication media or communication channel. To communicate data from one location to another or from one computer to another or maybe from one node to another node, it requires some type of path, a way or maybe a medium. These path or medium are called communication channels, but it uses two different types of media. One is cable, the other one is broadcast. In case of cable, it uses twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optics. But whereas in case of broadcast, it uses microwave, satellite, radio and infrared. Right now we will see some of the channels. Some of the channels are twisted pair, coaxial cable, fiber optics or optical fiber cable, and the next one, the last one, that is satellite communication. The first one is twisted pair. I think so all can see the image which is available onto the slide. As the name itself indicates here, twisted pair, it consists of two insulated copper wires twisted around each other. This pair of wires form a circuit that can transmit data. These pairs are twisted to provide protection against crosstalk. When electrical current flows through this wire, it creates a small circular magnetic field around the wire. When two wires in an electrical circuit are placed together, their magnetic fields are exact opposite of each other. And these copper wires are typically 1 mm in diameter. One of the wires is used to transmit data. The other one is used for ground reference. Where this type of cable can be used? This can be used for telephone communication. Some of the advantages of this cable are: it is easy to install and this will work only for shorter distance. The main disadvantage of this cable is it provides limited bandwidth. Bandwidth is nothing but maximum rate of data transfer across a given path or given route. In the sense, this will measure how much amount of data can be sent over a specific connection in a given amount of time. The next one is coaxial cable. This cable is an insulated copper cable that is used in computer networks and to deliver cable TV services to end users or customers. This consists of four primary components. The first one we can just see here, a core copper wire which is very thick and which acts as a primary channel. Coming to the second one, we can just see here dielectric insulator, or it can be even a plastic insulator which surrounds the copper. The third one is of metallic shield which is made up of either copper or aluminium that is below the insulator, and it is used to protect from the external electromagnetic interference. The last layer or the last one is of plastic jacket which is made up of either Teflon or maybe of plastic coating, and it is used to protect the inner layers from the physical damage such as water or fire. These cables will carry signals at the greater distance. This cable is mainly used by cable operators, telephone companies and internet providers to convey data, video and voice communications to customer, and these cables are easy to install and very durable also. The next one is optical fiber cable or fiber optics. In case of fiber optics, it is made up of very thin, flexible fibers of glass at the center, which we call it as a core, and that is made up of glass which is surrounded by cladding of glass. And later the jacket is made up of plastic which acts as a protective layer that surrounds the cladding. The purpose of fiber optic network is to reach longer distances and provide higher performance than the wired cables. This type of cables are best suited for internet access, multimedia data transfer and to carry out e-commerce. Some of the examples where this can be used are telephone, video conferencing, internet accessing cables. The last one is satellite communication. Satellite communication play an important role in the global communication system. These are the objects which are located at 36,000 kilometers from the Earth's equator. The use of satellite provide communication links between various points on the Earth. Almost 2,000 satellites revolving Earth carry voice, video and data to and from one or many locations or terminals. Satellites are able to process or improve the data relate to them from master stations present on the Earth and retransmit back to VSAT. VSATs are nothing but very small aperture terminal. Those are present at different locations on the Earth. VSAT is a small sized Earth station used to transmit and receive data, voice and video signals over satellite communication network. The satellite sends and receives signals from the ground station computer which acts as a hub for the system. Thank you. Keep watching the video series which are uploaded.